Hi everybody, this is Sonia, and I am here to give you my cross-stitch update. I hope everyone is having a good day so far, and that your week will be even better. I have the 3 works in progress. I have the wedding sampler, I have the Paris themed cross-stitch, and I also have the new start, which is the bird and berries. That is a pattern that I won from Alicia. Hi Alicia. And I am really enjoying it. It's a fun stitch to do, so I am really enjoying doing that one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. And the first one that I am going to show is the one that I will be working on today. This is the Gold Collection Petites Dimensions, and it's the Paris one. And this is 6" by 6", and it's done on 18 count ivory Aida. And this is what I have accomplished on it. I have completely finished the bird. I have completed the branch. I have added all the leaves. I think in the last video, I only had partial leaves down here. So I've completed all the leaves. Now I am going to get ready to do the background, and I'll show you which will be the gold, and then I will go the rest of the way up with the blue. So that's going to be starting today. So I will be going up and then finishing up, well, the blue and then the gold over here. So that's where I will be on that one today. And then the next one will be the Wedding Sampler by J&P Coat, and it's the Patchwork Wedding Record. So there is what it will look like. And this is what I have got completed on this one. So since last time, I have completed this side, and I started down here, right here with the pink, and I'll be going up. So that is the Patchwork Wedding Sampler, and this will give you an idea. So I have completed this side. I'm working right here on the other side. I'll work up, and then I'll put the wording up here. Then I'm going to finish going down. So that kind of gives you an idea of what I have left. And then the back stitching. So that one's coming along really well. Okay, and this is the new start. So this is the bird and berries. That's the design pattern. Okay, this is what I have accomplished on it so far. The colors, I love the colors. They're bright colors. I think it's going to look really nice when it's all done. So this is where I have started. I'm right here. This is what I have completed, the 3 berries, and then on down. I've made the branch up to the bird, And so when I start on this one again, I'm going to go ahead and work down and finish the berries down there. So this has been a really fun stitch. I really have enjoyed working on it. So there it is, and I used cream colored, 14 count, and I used cream colored Aida on this one. And this is 12 inch by 12 inch fabric. So everything should fit on here really well with some to spare. So that is my 3 works in progress. I do have a little haul coming that I will be sharing. I did get a book, finally, my first book of cross-stitch designs, so I will be looking at that, showing it to you, reviewing it for you. And there's one more thing that I wanted to bring up to you. You know how a lot of us will keep our orts or our leftover thread in like jars and things, and sometimes we'll throw them away, sometimes we have other uses for them. Well, what I decided to do, since I do crochet, is I have taken my bigger threads and I have put them all together, and I'm making a ball of the threads. And I have crocheted with crochet cotton thread, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this thread and you know, maybe make a bookmark or, you know, something out of it, just so I'm not just throwing away the thread, that I'll be using it. And then I will show you what I've made with this when I have enough to make something. So I just wanted to bring that up to anybody that crochets, that have used the little crochet hooks or have made doilies or anything with that crochet cotton thread. Well, this is maybe a little thinner, but it would work the same way. So just a hint for anybody that might be interested to do that. Anyway, I think that is about it. I want to thank everybody for watching, subscribing, for commenting. I do appreciate you all. Like I said, a wonderful community, very supportive, full of encouragement, very helpful. When you need help, they're there to help you with anything that you need. Great, great group. Anyway, until next time, everybody have a great day.